it's DumpsterMarcus. This is my welding room. I'm going to redo it to make it functional, to have sparks flying everywhere, me welding in here, nice places to put all my scrap metal for I could do my weld art projects, and kind of just get straightened up. I can't even move in here. Currently, this is my welding area. I want to make this video because I have these sheets of aluminum. I have 3 sheets, 1, 2, 3 here. They used to be on these walls, 1, 2, 3. I redid this room. This room, it was just those disgusting sheets of aluminum. I don't know why they were in here. But I redid it to make it a Harley Davidson room. I repainted all the walls black. I got a wire brush on my angle grinder, and I made like the aluminum have like swirly marks. I painted these bars orange. I painted the border or frame of that picture orange because that is LA Speed Shop from California, and that bike is that bike. I got it tattooed, and the guy actually sent me an autographed picture of that bike. And I got some orange hooks up there, got a Harley Davidson sign. These hooks were in the garage already, so you could hang a coat here, hang a helmet here really nice, just spray painted them orange. I put a nice LED light up here. And I regret not filming this because actually it came out really nice. It came out 10 times better than I expected. So this room, I want to tape it and make it look nice. So let's get it going. Alright, my welding room is 11.5 feet wide, 7.5. So pretty big welding room. I'm planning on probably welding here, having my grinder here, and then right when you come in by this window it's going to be storage. If I could have like my long piping and stuff like that right here on that wall. So let's sweep up this floor, clean up all these cobwebs on the walls, put the aluminum up where I'm going to be welding for the sparks don't catch any wood on fire, and paint the rest black, because why not? All right, when you're in the room, that's where my motorcycles are right now. I'm going to be welding in this corner right here. I'm gonna put a sheet on here and here, just because on the other side of this is my woodworking room. And there, crosscut size, I use it all the time. As you can tell, there's sawdust everywhere. I'm going to make an enclosure for that eventually, but I don't want any sparks coming from over here for me welding and cutting and stuff and coming over to here and setting my whole garage on fire. I overlap the top one with the bottom one so the sparks can't go behind the metal. Looks good. Now I gotta do this one. All right, in this corner here, I have this cabinet that used to be my parents' bathroom. Recycle stuff. Don't buy stuff. And I have my grinder on here. I have a wire wheel on this side and I have the grinding wheel on this side. I'm gonna put it in this corner. It's on wheels. I got this pegboard from the trash. I got at least 20 of these sheets in the trash probably 5-6 years ago. I'm glad I saved these. These are really expensive. And this piece fits perfectly right here. So I'm gonna make a little frame to put this on, hang this up. So if you don't know why I'm building this frame for this pegboard, is these are the hooks for the pegboard and they push into the pegboard and go down. So most of this is in the back, so you need a little bit of space for this doesn't hit the wall, frickin' turn. I got everything taped up, just the bottom floor. Got my drop cloth down. Let's paint the whole room black. It got so dark in here. That's crazy. It looks good. I think so. One coat only. It's getting late. It's like 10 o'clock. I still have like 10 things to package for eBay. So let this dry and I'll catch you tomorrow. All right, here's the after. It's dark. It's so nice. I got the ceiling done, all the walls, everything in here. I painted black. I'm probably gonna paint these bars black, but then I have to like tarp everything off because I want to spray paint them. Or maybe I'll spray paint them silver to make it look cool because they're like raw metal. And I'll paint the back of that cabinet, but in here it is nice. Now I'm gonna make some cabinets here, and I have like 6,000 milk crates. So I figured I'll store all my metal, little pieces of metal in milk crates, make a nice cabinet here. The bottom layer is gonna be 5-gallon buckets, then 2 layers of milk crates, and the top layer will be for long rods. So let's make that. All right, here's a frame for the shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. It's gonna put 4 to 5 milk crates on these. Simple frame. The shelves are made just like my eBay shelves. Link up here if you want to check that out. All right, here's the shelf. The bottom is for 5-gallon buckets. This one and this one is for the milk crates. In the top, I might build one more shelf. The top could be for long rods, and this shelf could be for more milk crates or whatever. I'm probably gonna build one more shelf. I have the wood for it, so I might as well. All painted dumpster green. So I got dumpster lid, actual dumpster. I have my welding card in here. I painted this shelf, and this is where I'm gonna actually weld on. Hang up some tools here. I got my grinder, and I got this scrapping, this little vise. So I'm gonna mount that vise there. So I gotta wait for this to dry and then start putting all this. I gotta go through all this. Railroad spikes, I have bicycle parts, I have all tools in these bins. So I wanna go through everything to get everything separated. So if I want tools, I go in there. If I want, you know, nuts and bolts, I go in this tote. So I have to get all this straightened up. The top shelf, it will be too high to put up milk crates filled with metal. So what I like about this is I'm going to put all my long pieces of metal up here. I have a bunch of long pieces outside in a 55-gallon tote. So let's bring them in here and put them on top. I still have to do a little cleaning, like straightening up and stuff and organizing, hanging some tools up, but I am done. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I am going to be doing some weld art projects soon. I have to fix my Civic. I have to cut the whole driver's side floor pans out and put new ones in. So that's why I really wanted to straighten this room out before I get my Civic back on the road. But I'm loving the storage. I'm loving the colors. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Check out my link in the description. Get some hats, some merch, some t-shirts, weld art projects coming soon. I have some on there right now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and have a scrap of good night.